Hello, welcome to the AC Silver store and our channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about this quite magnificent antique Victorian English sterling silver and glass claret jug. This is probably the finest of its type you could hope to acquire. Certainly with this combination, the finest that I've had the pleasure to include within our inventory. It's got this most impressive ovoid glass body with this fabulous acid etched decoration. The silver mounts have been gilded and retain the original gilding. Got lovely chased, applied decoration, lovely cast and applied figural marks to the underside of the lip. This strapwork design with these figural terminals has the original detachable stopper and this most magnificent cast figural handle, a Venus and a cherub. Just the whole combination is just quite magnificent, being made of the highest quality. The silversmith has used quite exceptional gauge of silver and handcrafted these components and produced something that is just quite magnificently beautiful. Just remains in this fantastic condition, seen little use over its lifetime. And it's the type of article that I'm always looking to include within the inventory, not just finest of their type, but ones that have seen little to no use. And this can certainly be seen with the condition of this quite exceptional piece. All the hallmarks have been deeply struck and are very clear, as you would expect when you locate one that has just seen, as I say, little to no use. So yeah, truly a magnificent example, and certainly one that is sold with my highest of recommendations. I just know the next custodian of this fantastic claret jug, upon receipt, they will be absolutely delighted. It's very difficult, even though I can enthuse as much as I am doing at the moment, to actually give it true representation, because in reality, this piece is absolutely magnificent and just fantastic. It feels, as we would often say, or silver dealers actually describe, really lovely in the hand. What we mean by this, you can almost feel the quality of the article, the sharpness of the silver, just everything about it just oozes quality. So yes, sold with my highest recommendations. If however any further information was required, please do not hesitate to call us here at our store or email me directly, and I'd be happy to answer any queries or questions that you may have. In the meantime, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.